Be done.
This whole experience has been great. It's taken away a lot of the fear. It's answered a lot of my questions, starting with day one, just hitting the ground running and just looking at the simple things, evaluating neighborhoods, how to, look at a deal and see whether it's something that you want to put an offer in or not, or evaluating that process, going through and identifying the marketing plans and strategies that would be needed, building my team, and going through and putting together realtors to work with, and then also networking as we go each day. We evaluated approximately 10 plus properties that we physically looked at and evaluated. We actually had several others I'm going to follow up on directly after Regan leaves. So it went from me over the last 2 months, being unable to make a deal or at least make an offer because of the fact that I just had too many questions. Just remove the fear. In a 3-day period of time, it just cut through a lot of the mystery of investing in real estate, got down to the nuts and bolts and facts and figures, and that's what drives the whole concept. If it's a deal or it's not a deal, it's based on the numbers. It's not based on emotion. Writing a contract is not difficult at all. You can always escape through your escape clauses to get out if the property doesn't measure up to what you think it is when you do your due diligence on the inspection. So it just took a lot of the learning, the slow learning curve process out of investing. If you don't have a mentor, you really need to consider getting one. It's well worth the money. I certainly questioned that initially and was wondering what this experience was going to be like and had some concerns, but it's been a great experience. It's money well spent, and if you want to shorten the time it takes for you to get up and running and really if you're serious about starting a real estate business or investing in real estate, you really need to get someone to help walk you through the process.